Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to connect pendrive on LG Smart TV. Now pay attention. The first, you need find your port in your TV, okay? Now let me show you. This is your TV. Can you see I already have my pendrive here, okay? Connect in your port, okay? The general place is that, okay, in your right side. Now what is the next step when you put your pen drive in your TV? Okay, in your control you need to find this button, okay, this button. Can you see? Okay, when you find this button, touch here and select your pen drive. In this moment, can you see data traveler 3.0? okay, doesn't matter this name. Okay, if you change your name in your PC, can you see displays that name and select photo, picture and video or whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, open your pen drive and this is all in the sorry, I have movies. Okay, I know I get movies in my PC and put here. This is my useful my pen drive. Okay, and this is all for this video. Have a good day and see you later. And sorry for my bad English. I try to get more experience with me speaking. Bye bye.